A few months ago, do you remember this? A few months ago, I was getting off the subway. I accidentally stepped on the back of someone's foot. And I said, oh, excuse me. This man turned around and he kicked me. Wait. That's not even the worst part of it.
And I was the first call. It was like, okay, assault on the subway.
I kicked him back.
Yes.
But like, that was a part of it that, like,
You weren't wrong. You weren't wrong.
but like, that is not who I am. I don't kick people. But I kicked this man back, and this other man behind me came.
He was like,
no, I didn't kick him too. The other man behind
it was
me
a Teenage Mutant Ninja
sort of
Turtle
like
moment.
very gently touched me in the back and was like, "Don't do this." And I was like, "He kicked me!"
Oh, what an angel, that person.
I know.
Let's
but I was like
de-escalate.
shaking. I was so enraged, and I feel like that has never been me before.
No.
What level of violence can you enact on someone who just kicked you without getting
Okay, so
arrested?
under tort law, you have a duty, breach, causation, and harm. So
Okay.
you have a duty to behave a certain way in society.
Okay.
If there is a breach, such as someone kicks you, then that duty's been breached. You have to cause someone's harm. So the harm is usually damages. So in this situation, the harm sounds mostly emotional, I think, is what we can ascertain.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So I would say that it probably wouldn't pass the sniff test
Okay, so a
for
light
a
kick.
tort,
A light-
a civil suit.
And I think-
Usually there's some sort of documented medical issue.
Either way, with her side or that man's side?
It depends on the state. So this was in New York.
Yes, it
so
was.
it depends. Contributory negligence. So if you were someone who contributed to the other person's harm and they harmed you as well, it kind of like cancels out in some cases.
It's a wash.
So it sometimes comes out in the wash.
Mm-hmm.
But
To be fair, neither one of us had any power behind the kick. I feel like the kick was symbolic.
it was middle school
Fifth
kick.
graders, yes.